This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to give you 2 power tips for Google Contacts. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we are in the Google Contacts main screen. You get to the screen by going to the waffle icon and then clicking the Contacts icon if you're logged into Google. The first tip that I have is to build up your contacts by adding spreadsheets. This is how it works. Go to the left side of the page, click the Import button, and then select File. It has to be CSV or vCard. And typically the way that it works is you're exporting a CSV from Excel or from Google Sheets. You're exporting it to somewhere on your hard drive, and then you're importing it using the button that I just showed you. You click Open or Add, and then Import, and those contacts will be added to your Google Contacts list. There's only 3 contacts right here, but you get the basic idea. The second power tip that I have, this is something that I use every single day, is basically using the notes field for contacts. And this is the way it works. I'm going to show you a real example. I've added keywords to many of these contacts here that will make it easier for me to find them later on, even if I don't remember their name or other information about them. All I need to remember is one keyword, and I need to add it into the notes field, and I can find them. And let me show you an example. Let's say that my heat pump breaks down and I need someone to repair it. Well, if I type heat pump into the search bar at the top there and press return, you can see Friedman and Sons boiler repair pops up. And the reason is because a long time ago, I edited their contact list to basically include these keywords. So if I search for plumber or heating or heat pump, this entry will show up in search. And that is a huge thing for me because usually my contacts, I have thousands of them. And there's no way I can remember who's who or a plumber that I used 5 years ago. So this really helps. I use it all the time for business accounts and for personal accounts, for doing things like remembering somebody's kid's name or when their birthday is or something like that. So the notes field is really useful. You get to it by clicking edit, and then at the bottom you can add information as needed. So those keywords can be used to find people later on. If this video helps, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.